Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Luvme Hair lace closure wig. The hair actually came in this gorgeous purple packaging, and the packaging came with loads of amazing goodies. You got a wig cap, you got baby hair comb, and you also get an elastic band, and you get your purple purse as always. And yep, you also get a sleeping cap, I believe. Yeah. So yeah, that's everything in the packaging and the star of the show as well. They also come with an instruction on how to take good care of your hair, and you also get your elastic band in the construction of the cap as well. This is what the hair looks like straight out of the box. Everything has been done for you guys. It comes with 3 combs at the front and 1 comb at the back, and it also comes with an elastic band and elastic strap as well. The knot has been bleached for you straight out of the box, and the hair also comes with side parts straight out of the box, and it also comes pre-plucked straight out of the box. So it's a beginner friendly lace wig, and the hair is really soft, and you don't have to do anything to install the hair. I'm going to be showing you guys how I prep the hair. Trust me, all you need to do is just cut your lace and you would be good to go. The lace is very user friendly, very lightweight, and very easy to work with, and you can barely tell even before I cut the lace, so you don't have anything to worry about when it comes to installing this hair. As you guys can tell, you just have to cut your lace and you will be good to go. Look at that, we had done. But for this look, I decided to show you guys how to wear the hair on your left side part or your right side part. So I'll be showing you guys both styles in today's look. I don't have my spray bottle, so I decided to go for mousse only because the curls are even popping straight out of the box. Look at that. After applying the mousse, look at that, the curls are popping. Look at that. I was feeling myself. I'm actually wearing the hair right now and I am loving it. Look at that. So this is the hair on the right side, and look at that, no glue, no gel. All we did was just cut the lace and voila, we are good to go. So if you're worried about installing your hair, this is definitely for you. Just cut the lace and slap the wig and you are good to go. Look at how full, fluffy, soft, voluminous the hair is. Wow, for the price, I am a huge fan, like a huge fan, and quality wise you already know it's top notch. So I swapped the parts for you guys to see how the hair would look like, and this is actually the part that came straight out of the box with the hair, so you can actually manipulate the parts anyhow you like. Those are the advantages of this hair that I really like a lot. And yeah, I was feeling myself. I love the fact that the hair is really versatile. So as you can tell, on the right side the hair is really long, but all I did was just use my hand to push the hair up to achieve that voluminous big head don't care type of look, and I am feeling myself. Look at that, look at that, look at that. You can actually brush the hair down. If you don't want big hair don't care, or you're tired of wearing big hair don't care, just brush the hair down and you achieve that straight versatile, not really straight, you achieve that long curly noodles type of look, if that makes sense. And if you're tired of that, again, just use your hand to push the hair up like I did in this video, and look at that, immediately it went back up. Very versatile. One of the most amazing reason why I really love this hair. People will be thinking, are you actually wearing another hair today? But you are still wearing the same hair, so you can wear this hair anyhow you like. And the fact that it's 100% human hair with top-notch quality just makes it even more amazing. So yeah, look at that, very fluffy, soft, bouncy, and yeah, voluminous, scrumptious. It's just everything. Look at that, very full, guys, and it's also lightweight on the head. So you see, no glue, no gel, nothing. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Luvme Hair lace closure wig. As you guys can tell, I am feeling myself. As you guys already know, I'm a huge fan of Luvme Hair lace wigs, and this one is giving what it's supposed to give. Guys, look at that. I always thought I can't rock right side half parts, I have to always rock left side, but at the end of the video, at the middle of the video, I just thought, you know what, let me switch things up a bit, and I am feeling this right now. Actually, the hair actually came, you know, straight out of the box with this side, this part, but you know, I move it to the left. Now I'm also feeling the right side part as well. Look at that, it's giving what it's supposed to give. So I'm going to quickly share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. First thing I noticed out of the box is the fact that everything has been done for you straight out of the box. The knot has been bleached straight out of the box, and also the hair has been pre-plugged straight out of the box. So you also have an elastic band in the box that you can use to install the hair, just like I did. So you don't need a professional to install the hair. Look at that, I use elastic band in the construction of the cap to, you know, install the hair. All you need to do is just cut your lace and you will be good to go. If you're the type that love wearing wigs but you don't know how to go about it, or you think you have to spend a lot to, you know, install it, then this is definitely for you, because all you have to do is just cut the lace. All you need is a pair of scissors and you will be good to go with this hair. So after cutting the lace, you can actually wear the hair like that. If you don't have any product to apply on the hair to the wig, all you have to do is cut your lace and use your elastic band to install the hair, just like I did. And if you don't have any products to apply to the hair to, you know, pop the curls or define the curls, all you need to do is a bottle of water. Spray water on the hair and your curls would be popping. My spray bottle is broken, so I couldn't spray water on the hair, so I decided to go for mousse anyway. But you don't have to use mousse to define the curls. The curls are already popping straight out of the box. I really like this hair. I like the fact that it's very versatile. Look at that. So it gives me that short, full, fluffy style that I am going for. But if you want this side long as it came, you can actually use your brush to curl the hair, to brush the hair downwards, and you will get that long style on the side as it came. But I actually love using my hands to fluff it up, to give me that fluffy, you know, huge big hair don't care type of look. So depending on you, depending on the look you're going for, so you can actually manipulate the hair however you want as well. That's another plus for me when it comes to this hair styling. I am loving it. But if you guys don't know, already know Luvme Hair, Luvme Hair, a hair brand that sells all types of hair on their website, and they have lace closure wig, they have lace frontal wig, they have all types of hairstyle and colors on their website. So if you check out their website, you definitely find something for you and your loved ones. The thing I love about this brand is the fact that their shipping is always very quick. It took exactly 4 days to get in the UK, which for me is really amazing. And another thing I love about this hair is the fact that I didn't experience any shedding or tangling whatsoever. The hair is really full and very fluffy. Look at that, guys. You can actually tell that the quality of the hair is amazing. When it comes to quality hair, Luvme Hair don't compromise. Like, they are one of the best when it comes to quality hair, and I can assure you, you have nothing to worry about when it comes to the quality of their hair. Another thing I love about this hair is the fact that I can actually switch sides, like switch side, guys. When I'm tired of wearing it on the right, I can wear the part on the left, and the part has also been created for you guys straight out of the box. So what else do you want, guys? Everything has been done for you. Just cut your lace and you would be good to. So would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely. You guys already know the answer is yes. Based on the quality of this hair, it's definitely AA+ for me, guys. Look at that. No shedding, no tangling, and the fluffy texture of the hair is very soft. The quality is just bow pow for me. Like, I am loving this. So quality wise is definitely AA+ for me, and in terms of their shipping is definitely AA+ for me, and in terms of how easy it is to install this hair and the fact that I don't need any glue or gel to install this hair is definitely AA+ for me, and the fact that their shipping was really quick is definitely AA+ for me. So yeah, that's my thought about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.